In this problem, the strength of a language school is 2001. The percentage of students who study French lie between 80 and 85%, and those who study Spanish lie between 30 and 40%. If each of the students studies at least one of the two subjects, then find the difference between the maximum and the minimum possible number of students who study both French and Spanish. Here we have to find the minimum as well as maximum possible value of the number of students who study both the subjects, and it is given that each of the student studies at least one of the two subjects, and when we add 80% and 30%, that is the minimum percentage of the students of French and Spanish respectively. It is between 80 and 85, so 81 and 30 will not be included, which means it should be slightly more than these two figures. So when we add these two figures, we get 110, and the total quantity has to be 100%, which means at least 10% of students must be there who are part of both the subjects, and 10% of 2001 will be 2000 point something, but it has to be slightly greater than 10%, so the minimum possible value will be 201. Now coming to the maximum possible value, in order to find the maximum possible value, we need to maximize the percentage of those who study French as well as those who study Spanish, and when we add the higher limits or the percentage of higher limits, we'll get 125%, but we have to squeeze it to 100%, which means there has to be at least 25% common, that is those who study both the subjects, and it should be slightly less than 25%, and slightly less than 25% of 2001 will be 499. Therefore the required difference is 499 minus 201, which is 298. Therefore option D is the correct answer.